I played a drinking game too, so that was it. Oh man, did I say that? I'm sorry. I don't play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was
You were just talking about beer.
yeah,
You were lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning. But I did play the drinking game the night before.
So
You told the truth. And
And
nothing
then
but
not
the
the
truth.
truth,
But
but
not
I didn't tell the truth, whole truth. Judge Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, but I played a drinking game of life.
Welcome to one of the wildest courtroom mornings you'll ever see. A housing dispute collides with shocking revelations about drinking before court. Judge Simpson keeps his cool, but you won't believe what the defendant admits next. Stick around, subscribe, like, and share for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you can't miss.
court recalls the case of New Parker Apartments versus Tubbs.
You say for the plaintiff, Your Honor, our decision to wait for Ms. Tubbs paid off. She's here.
State your name.
Sherry Tubbs.
Okay. Where are we on this case? And then I have a question.
There.
This I usually don't work
That's what we're singing at us today.
I know, I never do that. I'm sorry. I never have
The sex offender registry still shows Mr. Gardner is living there. There's I found in there somewhere where it looks like there was some check made on 8/27 of 25, so August of this year. I don't know what it means. I'm not saying that means they confirmed it, but there's a date in August of 25 in the sex offender registry records. And I did a Lexus person search, and apparently his driver's license is at her address still. She acknowledges that it has not been changed. I'd given Officer Allen the default judgment. I think it could now be after hearing, and she says she wants to try to get this done, and so if the court gives her more than 2 days.
Yes, because even I went to the post office and changed all this mail, which last time I was here, I didn't know.
Miss Tubbs, before you go on, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of beers, yes.
How much did you have?
I drank beer.
Okay, so how many beers did you have?
18 ounce or 24 ounce, yes. I would
Yeah, that's the nice thing about the 24 ounce. You can say I only had 2 or 3 beers.
So you this morning? Can you get Terry to sit down here with the PPT, please?
I will say like 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Because that's
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning you started drinking?
That's what time I usually get up and drink milk beer.
Okay. So how many did you have this morning?
A beer.
Just one? One what, 24 ounce?
24. I will acknowledge that, yes.
So that's like 2. But what kind, what?
How much come into 24 ounce?
24 ounces. So, what kind?
Bud Light.
Oh, of course. Bud Light. Why did I ask?
But I used to drink Miller High Life, but I drink Bud Light. I used to drink a lot of liquor, but Bud Light. Why would you ask me that?
Because I've got to determine whether or not you can adequately do this hearing, Mr. Allen.
Yeah,
Mr. Allen, I'm going to give you a PBT.
What is that?
Okay, that's a preliminary breath test.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back with Mr. Allen, and there's going to be a PBT. You just need to blow into the machine, and then we're going to see. Okay. Thank you, Miss Tubbs. Watch your step. Okay, bye-bye. I know. Glad that's what came out of her mouth. All right. You know, there are times in life where I'm just afraid to call another case. Just kind of take a pause and you just hold.
Hey.
Are they?
They're doing what they do.
Okay.
Some people wake up in a number that would send other people to bed.
I know. You know, I was just going to ask for breakfast. Really? I don't think. Off the record? No, I'm going to say what I got to say. Because.
Who's getting that to whom?
I'm not really sure, but I'm afraid to go back and look. Is Mr. Lloyd, is yours simple? Where's Lacey go?
Very fast.
Oh.
That's what Magnus said. And then no. I'm kidding.
We heard you.
Oh, holy. Hold on a second. Miss. Okay, Miss Tubbs.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I already know. I was drinking last night too.
Yeah.
And I already know what it was gonna be, Miss Simpson.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let me first ask you this, and then I'll try to see what we're gonna do with your case. How'd you get here?
I got dropped off by my sister.
You didn't drive.
No, I don't drive.
That's probably a good
I
thing.
don't have a license, so I don't drive. I know how to drive.
That doesn't stop everybody.
And I'm
But
getting on the bus.
okay, so Mr. Fink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a 0.224.
What does that mean?
It means you are seriously.
That's probably about 3 sheets to the wind. Never mind. You don't know what off of one beer. No, you had more than one.
Okay, I'll play the drinking game too, so that was it. Oh man, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. I don't play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was
You were just talking about beer before.
yeah,
You were lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning, but I did play the drinking game the night before.
So
You told the truth. And
And then
nothing but
that's
the
the
truth,
truth,
but
but
not
I didn't tell the truth, whole truth. Joe Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, but I played the drinking game of life. I played the drinking game.
Your Honor, the efficient thing to do would be to come back on Friday with a regular landlord tenant docket.
yes, it would.
The kind of things to do would be to maybe come back the next Friday so she can have one more shot at trying to get him to the state police and get his ass.
No, but the police is way out in right now have
You
transportation.
don't have to go there. Willie Gardner's got to take care of this, or you're going to get put out.
Oh, he had to.
Everybody's trying to save their tenants.
I'm just
Get
wondering.
on the team with us.
Oh,
So how about
come on, Miss Judge Simpson.
26, Your Honor?
Come on, what?
Just listen, I do not need to be kid. I ain't had an apartment in 15 years, and I finally got my own apartment. I didn't know this was a second vendor or none of that stuff.
Okay, so
But when I come back, I'm gonna be here.
On the regular docket
On the- on the 26th. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to adjourn this, and it's gonna go back to basically a pretrial for September 26th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's in the afternoon.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
So
so
I'm gonna drink at 3 a.m. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
okay, I just Miss Tubbs,
I appreciate you, Judge. I really do.
Miss Tubbs.
Let's not get people up off first.
I know, but Miss Tubbs, here's okay. I'm giving you basically 10 days to sober up and get that.
Today. I'm not drinking no more today. I promise. I ain't gonna drink no more until the 27th. I'm just glad I just try to keep my apartment.
I know. So I'm not.
Two grandkids, and
Okay.
then that comes to my apartment.
Okay, I'm not gonna get into that. All I need.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 31 grandkids.
31.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 5 boys, 5 girls. And they love coming to my apartment. Just they don't live with me, but they just like to come and play.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 26th at 3. Next time you walk into my courtroom, you need to be sober.
Promise. I got a Bible in my purse.
No. Let's not do that. All right.
Bible in my purse. Look him up. Thank you, Judge.
Yep. You take care.
I am.
Okay.
Thank
You
you so much.
go ahead. You just be safe out there. Okay.
I'm gonna get on the bus. Thank you.
You're welcome. No, we're not. No, we're not laughing at you.
Thank you.
Yes. How much you want to bet it's the wrong bus?
Any excuse?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Frame.
Despite the chaos, Judge Simpson gave Miss Tubbs one final chance 10 days to sober up before her next hearing. The stakes, her apartment, her stability, and her dignity. Will she show up ready or fall back into excuses? Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories every week.